Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a transformation from this to all glammed up. So today is currently December 31st. It's New Year's Eve, so I'm about to get ready to go out, and right now it is 4:22 and it is early for the night, but I want to film for you guys. Also, I need to leave in about an hour and a half, no later than that. So I'm going to probably call this 1 hour transformation from this to all glammed up. So currently my hair is air drying and I have a bare face. Don't mind these marks right here. That's from my eczema. The noise outside, it's raining currently, which is kind of a bummer, but I'd rather have the rain than snow. So yeah, so I'm just gonna pretty much just get started. So right now I'm just putting on, So now I'm just putting on this Bliss Tex. It's a medicated lip ointment. It does come out white, so if you guys do use this, be careful. Just make sure it's blended all in. I really like this because I do have eczema around my lips and on my neck currently, so I like to put this on before I start priming and putting on an entire face of makeup. So there's that. Then next, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Mario Badescu to kind of hydrate the face. Then next, I'm going to go ahead and take my damp beauty blender, and I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty primer because I am using the Fenty Beauty foundation. I just got a new one today at Sephora. I ran out of my other one a long time ago, so I just picked one up today because I wanted to try a new setting mist. So yeah, and also with the Fenty Beauty foundation, it does oxidize. So typically I'm in the shade 260, but right now that's a little bit too dark for me when it oxidizes. So I did get the shade 230, and we're gonna try it out tonight. So hopefully it's all good. Go ahead and take my Benefit Professional, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my finger and just put it, woo! I'll get that in a minute. So I'm just going to put that on my finger and then put it on my nose, and just my nose area because that's where I have all my pores. I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe Beauty Sponge, make sure that it's damp, and then I'm just going to apply it all over. Focus. Alright, so brows are done. So I don't know what eye look I'm gonna go for. I have an idea. I think I'm just gonna go safe and do a brown smoky eye, just because I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to wear, but I know with the brown smoky eye it will be okay. Like, that's my safe route. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Tartelette in Bloom Flower Child right here and just kind of put that all over my lid. And I did prime it with the concealer I used to clean up my brows. Of course there's an ambulance in the background. Why wouldn't there be an ambulance in the background? I hope the people who are hurt are okay, but go ahead in the crease with Smarty Pants and Jet Setter, which are these two colors right here. In my Subculture palette from Anastasia, I'm just going to go ahead and take this color right here called Fudge. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of deepen and smoke out my eye. And take my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm just taking this Coastal Scents BRC S20 brush. I don't even think Coastal Scents is like a company anymore. I don't know if they still make stuff, but it is just like BH Cosmetic, if anybody is wondering. Take this color right here in the shade Adorn. gonna go ahead and take this MAC pigment in the color tan. My brush.
When we lie under the